Mga tol, tignan nyo yung ensayo ni Saul Sanchez. Siguro alam naman ng lahat na may laban si Saul Sanchez at Casimero ngayong October 13, 2024. So, kung makikita nyo sa training ni Saul Sanchez, no, talagang pinofocus nila talaga at ini-improve is yung power punching. Siguro alam naman ng lahat na kung gaano talaga kagaling to si Saul Sanchez, may knockout percentage talaga. At saka volume puncher din. So yun, prediction nyo mga kapatid, sino kaya mananalo mga kapatid kung sakaling magtuos na tong dalawang mga fighter na to, sina Casimero at saka Sanchez. So para sa akin mga kapatid, 50-50 no, kasi may power din to si Sanchez at saka maganda yung naging conditioning coach niya, sina Memo Heredia, which is magagamit niya yung lakas niya at lalong mag-i-improve yung stamina niya mga kapatid dahil sa naging conditioning coach niya si Memo Heredia, which is naging conditioning coach din ni Juan Manuel Marquez. So mga kapatid, para sa inyo mga kapatid, kanino kayang pambato ang mananaig? Sino kaya mananalo kila Saul Sanchez versus Casimero? So bago yan mga kapatid, tignan natin yung naging highlights ni Saul Sanchez, kung gaano to kagaling tong boksingero na to, kung gaano kalupit. Tignan nyo mga kapatid yung mga knockout. Grabe, mapapabilib kayo. Let's go.
Win feels his power. Oh!
And drops it right on the button. And he's in some trouble.
7, 8, walk to here. Walk to me. Hands up.
They're going to let this fight go.
Ironically, Sanchez is a right-handed puncher, but the left hook was dominant.
Another right hand drops him again.
3,
And he's on wobbly legs again.
6, 7, 8, walk to here.
Got plenty of time, more than a minute.
He's still
Hands up.
on wobbly
You're
legs. I think he can be had if Sanchez jumps him right here. Right back,
Oh.
right hand. It didn't quite go down. Again, a combination, and that's it. It's all over. Sanchez wins it in just...
Always talk about with Gonzalez and Sanchez sees the moment. Down he goes